In this video we're going to learn how to change account names. So in this question we're up to doing this part. You need to make the following changes to the chart of accounts. So we're going to change trade debtors to accounts receivable. We're going to change trade creditors to accounts payable. Change legal fees to rent expense. Sales income number 1 to dress sales. Sales income number 2 to skirt sales. The rest to create I'll show you in a different video. But firstly we're going to change these 5. Actually there's one down here. Change bank account 1 to check account as well. Change prepaid GST to accrued revenue. Okay, so in MYOB this is what we need to do. Firstly, this is our main home screen. So this is where we can get to everything we need to get to. So up the top, we're going up to Setup, Easy Setup Assistant. Okay, from here we're going to go into Accounts. Introduction will pop up, we go Next. And in here is where we change our account name. So from the question, the first account we want to change is Trade Debtors to Accounts Receivable. So MYOB uses trade debtors and trade creditors for accounts receivable and accounts payable. So we're going to change the name of them now. So trade debtors is in the assets, so we need to click on it, and then we're going to go down to this edit. Click on edit. Okay, in here we can change the account name from accounts receivable, sorry, from trade debtors to accounts receivable. Okay, then. Let's have a look at the next one. We're going to change trade creditors to accounts payable. So trade creditors is a liability. So go down to liabilities. Trade creditors, there it is, 2-1510. Click edit. We change that to accounts payable. Okay, that. Next one, we're going to change legal fees to rent expense. So legal fees, it's going to be an expense, so down in the 600s. There it is, legal fees. We're going to go edit. Change that to rent expense. Okay, that. Next one, sales income number 1 to dress sales, sales income number 2 to skirt sales. Okay, so our sales income number 1, there it is. I'm going to change that to dress sales. Okay, that. Sales income number 2, change that to skirt sales. Okay, that. The last 2, prepaid GST to accrued revenue. Prepaid GST, that's going to be an asset account. Sorry, I'm in the liability there. Sometimes these can be a bit tricky to find. Prepaid GST, there it is. Edit. Change that to accrued revenue. Last one, bank account number 1 to check account. So bank account number 1, there it is. Edit. We'll call this our check account. Okay, then. Once all our account names are changed, we're just going to go next. Opening balances, I'll show you how to do that in a new video. And next, close. And get out of that, we're back to our main screen.